I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop for a new video. Well, this is, as you're gonna see very soon, this is quite a long time after that first B-roll that I shot. So here's the 750 now. It's a little bit different. See, like the first B-roll that I shot was actually just, as you could see, just making that seat cowl here, which is now completely finished and actually very different than the first plan. Like at the beginning was sort of round here, and now we got that flat bit here on top to just look the same than the tank. So yeah, that's a bit different. By the way, sorry about the sound or the video. I have no idea how this is going to look and sound because I forgot my camera at home. So yeah, I kind of forget it every time. So that's the reason why there was absolutely no videos in between. Plus, as I always say, it slows me down like crazy. So yeah, I had to just smash it and not film. But now today I got a new phone, so actually I thought, why not? I'm just gonna give it a shot and actually film this with my phone. So yeah, with the first B-roll you saw me doing the seat. I was starting to do the seat cowl. So now this is completely finished. I did a new seat pan for it, so the seat pan is finished too. Stick the new foam on it. So that foam here is also shaped and ready to bring to the guy which is gonna do the leather on it and everything. The frame has been painted, so I finished the frame completely, just cut it here, welded the loop and everything, cut everything which is unnecessary, all the little tabs and all that stuff. I actually cut the rear foot peg mounts here because this is one-seater now. Just had to leave this because of the extra system, but now it looks a little bit more neat without the biggest mounts here for the pegs. The wheels got powder coated, actually not from me, so they look super nice. For me it's actually kind of a surprise because I'm never into colored wheels somehow. I never have the balls to do it somehow. I always go for black. And yeah, I think it looks actually pretty nice. Like, I like that gold color. It's not too flashy. It's a very nice color, so looks pretty good. Fits very good with the black frame. Painted the forks too, all the tubes here. The inside of the disc brakes also in matte black, so that it looks a little bit cleaner, a little bit newer. Front fender is still stuck, well, cut, you know. The front is gonna stay like this. All I'm gonna do is shorten all of the cables here and all of that because it's because of the new clip-on bars. It's all very long now, so yeah, it looks just too long. Next step is painting the tank, painting the seat cowl. It's probably gonna turn out to be a red color. Which red, we don't know yet. It's not me which is making the last decision, so we'll see. And yeah, then shortening all of this, painting those two parts, putting everything back together. The pipes still need to go back on. The pipes are hanging here. They were wrapped, so those ones are gonna get cleaned and maybe polished so that it looks a bit nicer. This might just get respray in black again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And small little details and stuff like this. But for step one, it's gonna stay like this. And yeah, so soon it's gonna be ready to rock for next season. Unfortunately, it's winter now, so yeah, it's gonna have to wait a little bit to go back on the street. But yeah, it's not so bad. So I think I'm gonna get back to work now. Gonna take those parts off and start sanding them, and probably make a last little update before ending this video. So see you soon. you can see the parts are finished now. Just need to do a few things on the tank, like removing the cap and finish sanding inside of it and do a little touch-ups here and there and stuff like this. Then I will install it in my paint box, and next video I guess will be about painting those parts. So if you're into this and if you want to see how it's gonna look, stay tuned for that. Now let me know how this shot looks like, because I'm actually now filming with a back camera, which is meant to be better. I was filming with a selfie camera before, which also disturbed me a lot with the screen, and I kept on looking at my face on the screen. But I guess this one should be better. If you want to see how it's going to turn out, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video, and I see you in the next one. Bye!